Oops. This wire is so annoying. Now I know what a decibel sender looks like, so we'll just take a cylinder right here, and we'll do this. Actually, make it 3x3. It'd be easier, or 30x30. And then we'll make another cylinder, but it's gonna be 10x10. Higher a little bit, and we'll make this a hole, and we're gonna change the color in a sec. So now we made it into like a hole. Actually, no, I could use bigger holes. Okay. And then this color is a tiny bit like yellowish. Oh, we could just go to custom. Go to custom, make a yellow. It's a tiny bit like, it's a yellow. It's like a very dark yellowish black. And then this one's black. And now we'll group this, and let's select multicolor. "35 minutes. This is next 10 minutes is gonna be my longest video I've made. Takes a lot of accuracy, so now we'll just slide it in there. And there we go. It's almost there. So let's just group everything we've done. And boom. So it's red for a second, it will go away in a sec. There we go. That's what it looks like right now. What do you guys think of that? That's what it looks like right now. I don't have a tripod, but that's all I have right now. Hope my camera does not fall. That's gonna be bad. Trying to make sure it does not fall off. Alright, so now we're on to the, like, because we're right here right now. I'm not going to do like the sensor, I just had to pin the decibel sounder, but yeah. So raise this up a little bit. So now we're just going to figure out the body of this. So looking at this is all we need. And the inside looks like we're not going to do that full on inside. But yeah, this is definitely going to be the longest video I've made so far. So I'll make it look like this so that way I can like see what it looks like. So we need another half roof. And change to snap gridding. It's like this big, right? Yeah. underneath the work plane and I gotta remember that I have to bring in my permission slip tomorrow. I'm gonna be cooking tomorrow in my class. Yeah, all I'm thinking about is just school right now. Let's just group this first and then we're doing the back. Almost gonna be the longest. This is just as long as my zoo video I posted on my original channel. Whoa, whoops. I'm trying to like bring it down a little bit. You know, I should just do this instead. Off. And it's gonna be red for a second, and there it goes. And we'll make the holes on the back, so we'll rotate this whole project 90 degrees, negative 90 degrees. Okay, maybe it's 90 degrees. Actually, in this case, 180. So that way it's, oh wait a minute. Oh, now it's right side up. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now we're on to the back side. Oh, there's also like two little things on the top. Alright, yeah, this is gonna reach my, yeah, this might be an hour long. Stretching right now. Alright, we're back in business. Right now I'm just looking at the back right now. And no, I'm not going to make the back holes because you're not going to see them. But yeah, I basically reached my limit. But yeah. So the finished product. Boom. That's basically how you make, or sort of how you make, that's basically how you make a carbon monoxide detector in Tinkercad. Well, I didn't do a tutorial. This is just me making it. I'll show you guys how I do it, what my skills are on building firearms in Tinkercad. No offense. No worries, guys. I'm not trying to offend anyone. And let's actually label it. Label what Kidde product this is. So that way we know which one's which. We'll put it on the back. Oh, whoops, we didn't group everything yet. Okay, this is longer than my zoo video. Whoa, what happened? Everything was supposed to group. Let's do this so that way you can see what I'm writing. And there we go. That's the carbon monoxide Kidde KN-COB-LP2 smoke alarm. We'll compare and contrast. Fail. Whatever. I'm taking it off anyway. There you go. That's how we make it. Focus camera. This thing does not want to focus. Hope you could see that. But yeah, that's the building of a Kidde KN-COB-LP2 carbon monoxide alarm in Tinkercad. So, hope you all enjoyed this very long video. I wasn't expecting to make a video that was this long, but this was like a project type. So, yeah. So, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you guys like this new series, I'll continue it. If not, then okay. But yeah. Now this isn't like to be the best art. This is just for entertainment purposes only. So that'll be it. Wow, this video's long. 49 minutes.